Hello children, today we are going to start with Economics class 10th lesson 1, the development. Development means progress. If there is an improvement in anything better than before is known as development. Every person has got the different development goal. For example, for a labor to get better wages is a development. For a girl to get better education is a development, and for you to pass with good marks in your class 10 is a development. So this means that the different people have got the different development goal. The development for one person may not be the development for another. For example, if a dam is built, it is a development for the people living in the towns and the cities because they will get the better supply of power and water, that is electricity and water. But it is not the development for the people living in the village or the tribal people living over there because they have to leave their land and shift somewhere else. So it is not a development for them. Development depends on two things. Material thing, that is money in hand, car, house, etc. is the material thing, and the non-material development means the freedom, security and respect. If a leader has got lot of money, for him to get the respect from the people will be the development for him. So we have seen that the development depends on two things, material and non-material. That means money is not everything. Freedom and security is also important for development. So let's compare the development of the two countries. USA is a developed country and India is a developing country. The countries whose income is more is a developed country or a rich country. So income is one of the important factor of the development. Income of the country is equals to the total income of the people. It is also known as the average income. The formula of the average income is the total income of the people divided by the total number of people living there, and this is also known as the per capita income. And the countries whose income is more than $1,27,036 are the rich country, and the countries whose income is less than $1,45,000 are the poor countries. India's per capita income is $15,070. This is according to the data collected on the year 2013 and 14. So we have seen the 90% rich countries are the developed countries.